Es una iglesia.
No le cargué la reola.
Mami.
Vente,
Ton,
Tony.
ven acá. Ahí hay agua, vente. ¿Qué hora hay, Dani? Ahí está.
Es de pura madera.
Mami, corre, trae al gordo.
Can we go in there?
Watch, okay? We're going to get to everything.
I'll be with you in a minute talking here. I'm sure the adults have heard the term, strike while the iron is hot. Well, it comes from blacksmithing. In short, when the steel is ready, you got to be ready to work. It will not wait for you. Because what'll happen is that it'll get too cold like this is. And I can only take it so far. Then I can put it back in the fire again and reheat it. And what I'm making here is some brackets to repair that wagon that you see out in back there. Is that, just like in reality, in the 1800s they would have brought a broken wagon or whatever to the blacksmith to repair it. Well, that's what I'm having to do here, is repair the wagon, and I'm having to make some brackets to do it. And that's where I am on this one here. But you can also see when I was doing that, how this heats up. And how easy it is for me to bend the steel as I work on it. Put this back in so I can get it reheated again. Okay, now, you come into the blacksmith shop, you kind of saw what I do here, is I can shape and bend steel, right? Well, what do I do with that shaped steel? What can I make out of it?